look good.
Well, that is. Right-hand lane, Mike Finnegan, wrong way Finnegan. He had a 822 on a 80 dial-in, an 822. A little quick off the lights, he had 128.94 miles per hour. A little quick off the lights, a .07 on the red side. Nice pass. An 828 on an 80 dial-in, a 126.76, a .11 reaction time. There goes the clock, counting down. A .66 reaction time. .66 reaction time. An 818 on an 80 dial-in, an 818 on an 80 dial-in. 127.84 miles an hour, the .66 reaction time.
I see a wing. I see a hydro. Here's the jumbo jump. And away we go.
An 818 on an 80 dial-in, 126.40, a .01 reaction time.
Nice.
Number 8 qualifier for tomorrow.
The key right now is consistency. Tom Riley's an 11.75 boat going up against Finnegan's 8.05 boat. But it's race day, it's a staggered start, it's super eliminator. All that matters is the wind line at the big end, Jeff. That's all that matters at this point.
That's right, Rob. Mike Finnegan in the left-hand Carrillo Rods lane, in sponsored lane, in a boat called Runway on an 805 index. Tom Riley on an 1175. Notice Tom's leaving first. Mike Finnegan in the left-hand lane, he had an 828, 120 flat on the miles per hour, and a .19. .19 is a great reaction time, but he got him right there. Tom, okay, the clock's counting down, the boats are fired.
Oh, look at that perch. Look at that perch by Busby. See that little squirt? That's the way he's got it.
Well, maybe he answered your question, Rolf.
How good is that?
Rolf, Mike was doing that little, they're playing a little magical tune or what between the two of them?
That's going to be a hell of a drag race, Jeff.
There we go. Baby. Hey, let's call this a grudge match.
I think it is a grudge match. Busby don't let me down. He moved early.
Come on, Finnegan. Dun, dun, dun. Finny had an 004 light. Wow. 819, 130.81 miles an hour. Up .004. 004 light. Almost a perfect light. 4/1000 off the perfect light. Right hand lane, you got it.
Calm down, old man. Meathead racing. Watch the tree, Mike. Watch the tree.
Finnegan on the inside, the Clark on the outside, Jeff.
Right hand lane, Finnegan. Left hand lane, Mike Clark, old school. Left hand lane goes by Racing Motorsports sponsored lane. Right lane, Rex Marine sponsored lane. The clock's counting down, there goes the rope. Hey, look, wow.
Good to be me.
Wow, now look at this. Finnegan cuts a .02 light. A .02 light. 818, 131.57 miles per hour. This is the right lane, folks. The right lane. The tower lane. The shoreline. The spectator lane. The spectator side. Right-hand lane. 818, Finnegan takes the win by a whole shot.
Yeah, baby.
Left-hand lane.
thing I said to you. Watch the light.
Yeah, but the thing is, I clicked early. I let out of it too soon. Finnegan, give me that camera. Nice job, you red-headed stepchild.
I gotta go with Roadstrom.
Semi-final.
I'm going with Roadstrom here to do what he needs to do. He's gotta knock that tree right down without seeing red. If he's gonna put Finnegan on the trailer, watch this race. It's gonna be a good one, Jeff.
Finnegan's got the backing of Captain Chaos. Finnegan's gonna take the win.
Dun, dun, dun.
Finnegan's gonna take the win.
Roadstrom with that left leg should do the job. They gotta push the tree. There it goes. Who's gonna go right here? There you go.
Popping and cracking, or was that Roger popping and cracking? Whoa, look at that. Finnegan cuts an 066 light to Roger Roadstrom's .23. Roadstrom goes at 827, 108 miles an hour, 117. So it was probably his motor that was popping and cracking.
Yeah, Roger had problems, obviously.
Left-hand lane. Mike Finnegan with the power and the backing of Captain Chaos. Woo! 841, 126.
He was pumping all the way, dude.
What the hell? 06 reaction. Just take the win in the left hand.
I don't know why the boat slowed down.
The boats are fired. Last pair. Thunder in the channel 2 right now.